In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop sharing Reels from Instagram to Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, hit Add menu icon and select Settings. On Settings, scroll down and tap Add Account Center to get into it. On that screen, you can easily find Sharing Across Profiles. You can just tap on it, and that's where you must select your Instagram account for which you want to stop sharing posts to Facebook. Just tap on it. And that's where you can select which type of content you would like to share to that particular Facebook profile. If you want to stop sharing Reels, just turn off your Instagram Reels feature. If you want to stop sharing other types of content, you can easily do so in the same way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.